wasn't yours. I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back to who I was before. I like me better, I like me better.
Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So as you can see by the title, today we are talking about lip glosses and some of the more flattering shades for deeper complexions. My face, the ones I'd recommend. So if you guys want to know more, let's go. Okay, I feel like we already knew at some point they were going to be incorporated in this video, so let's just go ahead and get them out the way first. Fenty gloss bombs. I expect glosses made by a black woman to be flattering for deeper complexions. Baby, they're just some of the best glosses to me all around, especially the plumping glosses. Which one are these? Yeah, oh, these are both. See, baby, I ain't playing when I say I got every shade. I mean every shade. The heat gloss bombs, the ones that are supposed to plump up your lips, do they actually do that? I get questions on if I get lip filler, so I feel like, yeah, they do. But they do also, you know, sting your lips. So if you can't deal with that type of pain, probably isn't for you. But over here, I like lip plumpers. So this is the shade Fenty Glow Heat 03. And this one is, wait, I got two Fenty Glow Heats? Baby, that's how you know how bad it is. I have two of the same shades, which I don't even remember. Wait, are they both heats? I have two heat. Well, am I wearing this today? No, I'm not wearing this today. I'm actually not wearing this today. Oh. Ciao, we just all over the place. But the pinks and the nudes out of this, Hot Choco Lit is literally the perfect brown shade if you are like me and you naturally have darker lips. Like, put that on and it literally looks like you just have clear gloss on, but still there's like a little brownness undertone to it. Literally the best brown gloss for deeper complexions. But the pinks, the browns, the nudes, even the other shades, the reds, they have a yellow shade. It's like, I wear it as a like topper type gloss. Literally all the shades are flattering. Now the next ones I'm gonna keep talking about until y'all stop sleeping on them, okay? They are from Buxom. These are actually 3 different type of formulas, but these glosses are literally right up there. Do they pass? No, they don't pass Fenty, but they are literally right up there with Fenty on my favorite glosses. And again, shades are very flattering for deeper complexions. This one right here, I need a new one soon, okay? But this is the Plump Shot. I wear this every single time I put makeup on and like put lip gloss, all that stuff on. This is always the topper for me. Doesn't matter how many other toppers I might use, because sometimes I do use more than one. But this right there is always going to be in the equation, because this, and sometimes in the videos where like I'm not wearing makeup like that, or I might just be wearing concealer, I literally just put this on and go about my day, because like I said, that Hot Choco Lit is like the perfect brown shade if your lips are naturally a darker shade. This is literally just the perfect topper shade. If you're not really trying to mix a whole bunch of shades like that, you just need something to throw on so you know your lips look presentable. They ain't ashy. And go about your business. And it is another plumper gloss, so also it's gonna make your lips a little juicy. This right here has never steered me wrong, and it mixes well with everything. Of course, I have it on today. I wear it with Fenty all the time. I'm wearing other glosses today, and it mixes well. It literally just perfects the lips every single time that I wear it. And this shade, I have other shades of this Plump Shot, but the shade specifically is also the key here, and it's called Flush. Flush. Why do I always want to say flesh? It's called Flush. But also from Buxom, this is their Plumping Lip Polish in the shade Whitney. And then this is their Lip Cream in the shade Pumpkin Pie Latte. Now this Pumpkin Pie Latte, on those days where my lips are giving a little more like that nudish brown, it might be this mixed in there, but you know, if it's looking a little more pinkish, it might be this one as well. But these two flattering shades on the lip, especially if you do the whole, you know, brown lip liner, which I do every time, brown lip liner, and then like these shades with it, it just give caramel latte each time. Just excited to talk about it. Okay, this next one, I want to say I didn't find out about until this year. I think I picked this up this year. Was it this year? Maybe it was last year. it hasn't been that long, but I didn't realize that e.l.f. had plumping glosses, which I'm not sure why I wouldn't have realized that, because e.l.f. has everything. If a brand got it, baby, e.l.f. got it, because one thing e.l.f. is going to do is dupe another brand. This is their plumping gloss. I have it on my lips today in the shade Praline. Look at, now today's video is specifically on shade, because obviously I like the formula of all the glosses that I'm talking about. The shades that are flattering for deeper complexions are what we are talking about. Now this one mixed with brown lip liner, go about your business if you want to, but if you put like a clear gloss on top of it as well, it's giving that early 2000s video vixen, just on your lips. So absolutely, this, throw on some brown lip liner and a clear gloss on top of it. So yeah, I have Flush, which is the Buxom one I just showed you, on top of this, and a clear gloss from Essence as well. And I just look at it, like, now I'm pretty sure these were created to be a dupe of Fenty. These are the Makeup Revolution Pout bombs, and it comes really close. You all know Makeup Revolution also likes to dupe a company. It comes really close to duping Gloss Bomb. It's just a little stickier, which I know some people don't really like stickiness with their lip products. So that's really the main difference between the two. But also the shades on this one, I have this shade and another shade that is closer to that Fenty glow that I just showed you. Again, just you throw that on, make your little lip cocktail, is going to look bomb on the lips. Okay, now this next one isn't technically a lip gloss, it's a lip oil, but it's a pigmented oil, and I mean, like, pigmented, it's going to look like gloss on your lips. Those are the Merit lip oils. I have one that I am pretty much almost out on, so I had to get another one. This one is the shade Taupe, and this is the lip oil. So morning, night, if you don't do any of the lip liners, the mixing, lip product stuff like that, you just need something to hydrate your lips and go about your business. In the morning, to go to school, to go to work, to go to the grocery store, this has got you right here. Or if you don't want to go to bed with dry lips, this right here is still a little pigmented on there. So again, like, your lips just don't look dull and dry and ashy. Okay, one more lip oil. Y'all see that? I be going through them. This is the Sigma Renew lip oil. Same thing like Merit. Yes, it's a lip oil, but it's a pigmented lip oil, so it does a little something on the lips. And for the same reasons that I mentioned the Merit, if you just want something, just throw on your lips so that they're hydrated, got a little pigment to them, a little something. This right here. Okay, only two more brands. This is the NYX Butter Gloss, and this is the shade Caramel. Now there was a shade that people were saying is like the best brown shade for deeper complexions. I don't think it was this one. There was one from NYX that they were talking about, and then NYX discontinued it because brands just won't allow us to have anything nice. NYX discontinued it. I don't think it was this one, but I went looking for that and I found this one. This is like putting it on your lips if you literally just want your lips to be the same shade as your face. Now, y'all know my lips are a deeper shade than me, right? So if I put on a lip product that is the same shade as my lips, it's going to be noticeable. It's not going to, you see what I'm saying? Imagine you put foundation on your lips, my lips would be the same shade as my face then, right? But if I am putting a product on to be the same shade as my lips, it's going to be darker than my face. This is like literally putting foundation on my lips that is going to literally be the same shade as my face. So I went ahead and picked this one up. And then I use a, darker lip liner so that we can distinguish where my lips start and end. And it's literally just like one of the perfect blends. And again, another put a like clear gloss on top of this, and it's just giving. Okay, and last brand, these Lancome Juicy Tubes. This gloss is kind of like the lip oils where, just throw it on, throw it in your bag. If you need to put something back on after you eat, stuff like that. It'll give you pigment on your lips. It'll give you flattering pigment on your lips. You don't need other products, anything that I mentioned, but y'all just know over here, it's always going to be lip liner and it's always going to be mixed with something else. These two shades, of course, this shade right here is the main one that I just keep in my purse. What are you called? I can't see. Hallucination? I think this is called Hallucination. Baby, they said you're gonna be hallucinating, just trying to figure out, is that really how this looks on my lips? And then this shade, you know, obviously a lot more pinker, but still flattering on the lips. This is Tickle Pink. Tickle Pink. The brands just be having the cutest names for their shades. But these also can be mixed with other products. So again, I might, you know, throw this on as a like lip topper, something like that, but can definitely be worn on their own. Also, this is another one to get the clear shade in. The clear shade for Lancome and the clear shade that I used today is from Essence. Those on top of your other lip products. And yeah, y'all, that is it for today's video. Really simple, really short video, just throwing out some recommendations. If you are looking for some pinky nudes, nudie nudes, brownie nudes, all that stuff, the products that I would recommend, the ones that I wear most often, and the ones where you're asking me what I have on my lips, baby, that is most likely what I have on my lips. At least I'm consistent, right? So that is it for today's video. Make sure to thumbs up, comment, subscribe, turn notification bells down below. Thank you all for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.
Yeah, 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 yeah.